gonna do the chorus twice in the last part, yeah?
Thanks, man.
So how about the
Do verse early.
yeah, we do chorus already. But chorus twice. Outside, yeah? Yeah, TJ?
Huh?
No,
You not touch it yet.
What is it?
so we do chorus twice in the last part.
Ready.
And then outside, yeah?
Okay.
Ready. Yeah. Welcome to my home in Jamaica. My name is Kamar and this is a public report. This is Kerry and this is Lincoln Tubbs. And over there you got Mr. TJ on keys. This is just for entertainment purposes, you know what I mean? Yeah. Welcome to the C19 Festival. Some played by the books, some played by air. Them not move cause they're grounded by fear. Some are still waiting for a sign to appear. Some feel the pressure and just break down in tears. But I'm on a mission, destination is great. Some can't believe and some just can't. Heart may be in pieces but my face like the sun. Thank you, Jah, you never let me down. Never, never. Cause me now stop trying. The journey may be far. Cause I keep moving from barefoot on time. Yes, we've got to move on. The journey may be far. Yeah, yeah. Some will hate you for the smile that you wear. Show them to know all the burdens we bear. But the ones who play games are afraid to be played. Show them know how much is at stake. But I'm on a mission, destination is great. Some can't believe and some just can't wait. Heart may be in pieces but my face like the sun. Thank you, Jah, you never let me down. Never, never. Coming now, stop treading. The journey may be far. Cause I keep, I live from barefoot on time. Yes, we've got to move on. Journey may be far. Yeah, the journey may be far. But me not stop trying. The journey may be far. Cause I keep, I live from barefoot on time. Yeah. Yes, we've got to move on. Journey may be far. Yeah, yeah. Nice, man. That's what I want to do. You know what I mean? Keep TJ, you feel TJ. You ready to take the camera, man? Yeah. For those who are checking in, it's Kamar at you. It's a public report. This is a true story, you know what I mean? Well, keep it quiet, alright? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Before I never liked shopping at the mall. Never liked roses because the thorns are sharp. Then I met you and you changed my point of view. Now I'm playing with thoughts and roses just for you. Baby, I'm sorry and my feelings too strong. Baby, I'm sorry, it's the nature of a man. Baby, I'm sorry if I love you too soon. I can't help myself cause I'm so in love with you. Sometimes I feel I should just walk away. Cause when your friends are near you don't have much to say. Not even sure if you would come my way today. but open luck will come my way. Baby, I'm sorry if my feelings too strong. Baby, I'm sorry, it's the nature of a man. Baby, I'm sorry if I love you too soon. I can't help myself cause I'm so in love with you, yeah. Baby, I'm sorry if I love you too soon. Baby, I'm sorry, it's the nature of a man. Baby, I'm sorry if I love you too soon. I can't help myself cause I'm so in love with you, yeah. I can't help myself cause I'm so in love with you, yeah. I can't help myself cause I'm so in love with you, baby. I can't help myself cause I'm so in love with you. Yes, Lord. You see, I'm a lover from the islands of Jamaica. Yeah. You know what I mean? We gotta pick up the one Bob Marley, they don't know. Without him, tragic. But guess what? We're gonna keep the vibes going like this. How many times I told ya I love you, and now you want to say that we are through. What more can I do? What more can I say to you? Now you're gone, eh? Do you remember the first night we met? It was a moment I never will forget. Love was at first sight, so when you came walking through the pale moonlight, I miss a pale moonlight. So me say pale moonlight. So me say do the wap, shoo wap, shoo wap, do the wap, shoo wap, shoo wap, do the wap, shoo wap, shoo wap, do the wap, shoo wap, shoo wap. How many times I told ya I love you, and now you want to say that we are through. What more can I do? What more can I say to you? Hey, now you're gone. Hey, do you remember the first night we met? Yeah, it was a moment I never will forget. Love was at first sight, and when you came walking through the pale moonlight, so me say pale moonlight, do the wap, shoo wap, shoo wap, 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 do I do the wap, shoo wap, shoo wap, do the wap, shoo wap, shoo wap, do I do the wap, shoo wap, shoo wap, do the wap, shoo wap, shoo wap, do yeah. There's so much going on around the world right now, you know. Some folks are afraid of saying sorry, I miss you, until it hits you suddenly. Suddenly, I can feel your pain. Suddenly, yes, I start to feel so hurt again. Please, oh this ain't happening again. I had needles in my arms. I heard so much alarms. All the questions. Is he gonna make it to the end? Cause I was drunk on love, overdose on trust. Took a sip on pure honesty, passed out on commitment. I had Jah as my witness, reality as my judge. But now I'm sentenced to life, doing pain. Suddenly, the house became so empty. Yeah. Suddenly, yeah, I'm searching for a family. Where, oh where, is there one who used to care? Yes. Of the stupid things I said, all the stupid things I did. Oh, she would be so concerned. Yes, overdose on love, took a sip on pure